Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got Cohorted, and this is their May Wellness Edition box. And I haven't had a look inside yet because I can't open it. I've just ripped the box. Are we going to open it up together? So if you're new to Cohorted, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their May box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is voted the #1 luxury beauty subscription box in the UK. The cost of the box is £39.99 and they ship worldwide. Now, shipping outside of the UK is calculated at checkout, but for instance, if you live in the USA, shipping will be an additional £12. Subscriptions are ran a month in advance. So say for instance you decide to take out a subscription in May, your first box will be your June box. So if you're watching this thinking, oh, I really want that May box, there is a chance that you are able to get it, but as a one-off box. If you were to look on their website towards the middle of the month onwards, then you might be able to purchase their monthly subscription boxes for a one-off price of £50. They ship all their boxes out between the 5th and the 17th, and all boxes are 100% recyclable. There's a minimum of 5 products in every box and a minimum of at least £100 worth in value. If you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, they have 2 codes. The first code is Cohorted Gift Me, and that will entitle you to receive a free beauty treat with your first box. Or the second code is Welcome 15 INF, and that will entitle you to have 15% off your first box, which works out to be around £6. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and codes and details you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you do click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening up this Wellness Edition box. I am not having any luck with this box this month. Firstly, I couldn't take the sleeve off. Now I can't open the box. It is firmly stuck. Got it. Okay. This is what it looks like. Oh my word. Give you a sneak peek first. Inside the box you'll receive a mini magazine, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you their price and it has articles and interviews, etc. But what I'm trying to look up now is the actual value. What is this month's value? £175.95. So I'll just go through them one by one, showing you what's inside. But before I do that, I just wanted to say that this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I used to subscribe on and off to Cohorted over the last couple of years. Some boxes were hit and miss, and I never felt that I wanted to take out a regular subscription with them. In all honesty, I used to think that they got their items from TK Maxx. I was a bit weary when they wanted me to start unboxing for them, but honestly, you can tell if you've watched my monthly unboxings, you can tell I think these boxes are fab. I do think they're fab. They're full of products that you buy now in the shops, you know, so no TK Maxx sort of warning signs for me now. But I just thought I'd be honest with you. Starting off with some masks, and these are by 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. We've got 3 different eye masks here. We've got a rose gold illuminating eye mask. We've got a Sub-Zero depuffing eye mask. We got a Celestial Black Diamond eye mask there. Do these come in packs or can you get them individually? I'll have a look. You buy them all individually for £12. So first up, we've got the Rose Gold Illuminating one, and this is one of their best sellers. A sister to the best-selling Rose Gold mask, this mask was designed specifically to provide dramatic radiance to the delicate under eye area. Is that one. Next up, we've got the Sub-Zero Depuffing Eye Mask, and this is an award-winning mask. A cooling hydrogel mask that wraps around the contour of your eye area and infuses the skin with powerful active ingredients that target puffiness and dark circles. Apply for a minimum of 20 minutes for a dramatic, energized result. And lastly, we've got a Celestial Black and Diamond mask, which is seen in Vogue, and it says this potent mask has been formulated to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and dehydration around the eye area. bacteria. The formula contains a small amount of retinol to retexture skin without irritation, vitamins to improve discoloration, and a potent peptide complex to fight lines. So we've got 3 eye masks there. Next we got a product by Alea Skin, and this is Australian Pink Clay Mask. Pink Perfect Detoxify and Brighten, 120 grams here. I tried a few different pink clay masks. Oh, they're just so good. They are so, so good. Clay masks are definitely my go-to mask if I'm having a bad skin day or skin time. Really gives it a good clean, exfoliate. Oh, it just leaves my skin glowing. I love them. Smells nice as well. Yeah, I know that's going to be nice and cold on my skin. This is one of Alea Skin's best-selling products, and it's Australia's highest-rated pink clay mask. The Australian pink clay mask quickly became an insta-famous internet sensation. This mask is formulated with vitamin E, aloe vera, witch hazel, and kaolin clay, a natural Australian-sourced ingredient enriched with detoxifying pore cleansing capacities. It says one mask is sold every 5 minutes, and the benefits of the mask: detoxifying brightens the skin, it defends against pollutants, dirts, and toxins, and fights acne and redness. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. Next, we've got a product by Pestle and Mortar, and this is Hydrate Lightweight Moisturizer. This luxurious triple peptide moisturizer will soften and repair your skin while hydrating deep below the surface, and there's 30 mils here. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before, so this is new to me as well. Looks like that. It feels really nice on the skin, very lightweight, almost feels like a gel. This moisturiser is a multi-award winner, and the recommended retail price is £26. An ultra lightweight moisturiser formulated with peptide technology and squalene to soften, firm and hydrate the skin without clogging pores. You can see it's won beauty awards down there, so we've got a moisturiser. We've got another product by the same brand, and this is Pure Hyaluronic Serum. Hyaluronic acid plumps and hydrates dry, dull skin, leaving your skin instantly glowing and firmer. And we've got 15 mils there. Get it out of the little bottle. Nice simple packaging. Let's try a tiny bit on just this hand. Yeah, that's just gone into my hand. My hands are clearly in need of extra hydration. No, that feels lovely. That does feel really nice. This is an award-winning serum, and the recommended retail price is £21. A highly absorbent, fragrance-free skin serum formulated with hyaluronic acid across multiple molecular weights. This serum instantly plumps up the skin, locks in moisture, and reveals a smooth and hydrated complexion. Got a serum there. Next, we've got a product by Emma Hardy, and this is a Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection, and there's 30 mils here. It's got here, warm a few drops of Brilliance Facial Oil between your hands and smooth over a cleansed face and neck, primarily at night for maximum effect. For maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. Nice big bottle there. How much was in there? 30 mils. Let's try a bit on my hand. I just want to smell it. Oh, it's so nice. I love the Moringa Cleansing Balm. I love the 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 moisturiser with an SPF 30 in it. Oh, I might already have little ones of these. I'll have to see. We've got another award winner, and it shows there, Beauty Bible Awards 2020. The recommended retail price for this oil is £39. A multi-active, lightweight, nourishing facial oil complex including 9 essential oils form of Parma Rose, Orange, Mint, Vanilla, Geranium, Chamomile, Lemon, Rose and Lavender to rebalance. Omega-3 helps to restructure the skin and promote elasticity. Camelina Gold of Pleasure Oil for its powerful antioxidant properties to protect the skin from environmental damage. And then throughout the little magazine here you'll see like QR codes which you can zap to get more background information on how to use them, etc. Next we've got a lip treatment by Veneffect. a new brand for me. Oh, look at the little packaging. Look at the little box there. Got a 3mm here, so I'm not sure if this is the actual size. It could well be actually. Lip treatments, you only need obviously a tiny bit, don't you? See a little dot there? No, I can't smell anything because I've got the Emma Hardy oil there. It feels nice anyway. Now this deluxe lip treatment is a cult favourite and the recommended retail price is £20. Benefit lip treatment is a cult favourite and has won awards and accolades for the innovative cream-based formula designed to be applied both on and around the lips to minimise and prevent vertical lines, naturally plump, leave your lips with a rosy glow. This is the epitome of the Venus effect. Oh my gosh. I have never received a product for your lips that claims to help with anti-aging. It's always like lip oils, lip creams, lip balms, lip tints, etc., but not an actual lip treatment where it helps with aging the lines around your lips. No, I like it. Next we've got a product by Crabtree and Evelyn, and this is a smooth and refined body lotion, and we've got 15ml here. So it's a little mini one. Try a little bit on my hand here and put some down there as well. I keep thinking I can test on more areas than just my hands, although obviously my hands love it. Oh, smell. Oh, it doesn't say what it is on here, what it smells of, but it just smells gorgeous. Oh, they do amazing hand creams as well, this brand. This is one of their best sellers from their range and it's an added freebie in the box. Discover lotion that does more. The smooth and refined body lotion works double duty on dull skin, resurfacing as it moisturizes with apple AHAs and shea butter. This lightweight formula sinks in speedily, leaving behind silky softness and the mood boosting Crabtree scent. Oh, yeah, I do really like that. And lastly, we've got another added freebie. Everyone will receive one of 3 and I have received the Keels Clearly Corrective Dark Spots Solution, clinically demonstrated to help correct dark spots and discolorations for visible correction and clarity with a potent complex of activated C, white birch and peony, and there's 4ml here. And in the booklet it shows you as well about the other ones. Oh, I'm really happy with this. I have a few dark spots, mainly under my eyes, like in there, which I don't like. I'm excited to give that a go. I'll have to read up more about it. It says apply morning and night before your moisturizer. May be used as a spot treatment or over entire face. May also be used to correct visible discolorations on hands, neck and chest. For optimal results, apply a daily sunscreen. So the others are Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum, 4ml, they're all 4ml, or Powerful Strengthening Line Reducing Concentrate. So those are the ones there. And yeah, the information about this one in particular is exactly the same as what I read off the front there. So we've got a dark spot corrector by Keels. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. So we've got a set of 3 eye masks from 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. We've got an Alaya Skin Australian Pink Clay Mask. We've got a Pestle and Mortar, a Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. We've got a Pestle and Mortar Hydrating Moisturizer. We've got an Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. We've got a Benefect Anti-Aging Lip Treatment. And then we've got an added freebie, a Crabtree and Evelyn Body Lotion. And lastly, another added freebie, a Keels Dark Spot Solution. So those are all the products inside this month's Cohorted box. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £175. And the theme this month is wellness. I do really like the products again inside this month's box. It's a very well-rounded box, but if you want this box for yourself, as I said at the start, you aren't able to subscribe and receive this box because if you subscribe now, your first box will be the June box. But have a look on their website from around the middle of the month onwards and you might be able to purchase this box as a one-off for £50. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Cohorted? Have you received your box? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.